Selection sort steps. Initializations accept the array as unsorted. Find minimum. Iterate through the array looking for the smallest element. Swap with the first element. After finding the minimum, swap it with the first element of the array, increasing the sorted part. The first element becomes the sorted element. We decrease the size of the array by 1. Repeat steps 2 or 4 until the whole array is sorted. The selection sort method takes an array of integers R and sorts it in ascending order. The outer for loop iterates from I exactly 0 to n minus 1, where n is the length of the array. This loop helps to select the elements that will be in their places after each iteration. The inner for loop iterates from j exactly I plus 1 to n minus 1, starting with the element following the correct I. We look for the smallest element in the rest of the array. Inside the inner loop, we check if the element with index j is less than the element with the minimum index min-index. We update min-index to j. After the inner loops is completed, we find the smallest element in the remaining part of the array. Then we swap it with the element at position I to put it in its correct place in the sorted part of the array, and repeat steps 3 or 5 for each iteration of the outer loop. It's in the main method create an array R and paste it to the selection sort method for sorting and display the sorted array on the screen. That's all. Insertion sort steps. Initializations accept the array as unsorted. Compare and insert start with the element at position 1, compare it with the previous elements and insert it in the correct position in the already sorted part of the array. Increasing the sorted part of an insertion, the correct element becomes part of the sorted part. Repeat steps 2, 3 for each element of the array until the whole array is sorted. The insertion sorts method takes an array of integers R and sorts it is ascending order. In the for loop, we iterate through all elements of the array starting from index 1, I exactly 1. This is because the first element is considered to be already sorted. For each element, we find its k value and save it. We will compare it to the previous array elements to insert it in the correct place in this sorted sequence. Inside the while loop, we compare k with each previous element starting at index j exactly I minus 1. If the previous element is larger than k, we move it to the right to make room for k. Once we find the right place for k, we insert it there. Repeat step 3, 4, 5 for each element of the array. If the main method create an array R and pass it to the insertion sort method for sorting, we display the sorted array and on the screen.